Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. Okay, having done my analysis this morning, I think this pair will go down in the next few hours. It will pass this level. So, as an option trader, I've picked a trade on this pair. So, if you can, as you can see, the time the market has already hit overbought level in the past few days. It has already hit overbought level. So I think it is time to start dropping. The price will start dropping. And mind you, this is volatility 10 seconds, 10 1 second index rather. So now if you look at few days back where the price has been in the last few days. Check this point in here right here now. You see that at this point, price hit overbought level. Maybe let's just say 3 days ago, price hit overbought level. So now price hit this overbought level. So and retraced. So now as it retraced, although I picked the recently as last night, I picked some few dollars last night, so I decided to re-enter again since I believe that the market will still go down further. So like this now, market has hit overbought level, so I believe it will at least drop to at least 40. The RSI at least will hit 40 or 50 dots before it will now gather momentum to start going up. So like here, what I do, I use MetaTrader 5 to analyze my trade, to analyze the market. So once I am done with the analysis, I will now head straight to I will now head straight to deriv.com to execute trade. So mind you, the higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. So I use a higher time frame to analyze the chart. As you can see, today now the market, this particular price has been bullish right from 1 a.m. So this particular pair has been bearish. So we still expect some more drop before the buyers will now gather momentum to push the price up. So let's watch and see what will happen to this trade. What will happen to this trade in the next 6 hours? So as you can see, this is MetaTrader. Sorry, this is deriv.com. So right here I have volatility 10 index 1 second. Then my my duration here is 6 hours. So if you want to get rid of blowing your account, get rid of emotional drama and all the race. You don't want the market to mess with your psychology and all the rest. So it is better you use, that is, if you are trading option, you use a higher time frame to execute your trade. You understand? So that even if so you use a higher time frame to execute your trade so that the market will not sweep your entire balance. At least even when the market is going the opposite way, you just be monitoring it. If you are comfortable with maybe 30% profit, 40% profit, you close the trade and take your money. You get. So This is the report, the open position. So I'm going there now to check the progress, how the market is treating me this morning. So okay, as you can see, the market is in profit already. I picked this trade few minutes ago. So I expect this trade to close in the next 6 hours. So as you can see now, it's remaining 5 hours 43 minutes for this trade to close. So let's watch and see how it will go. I just use I think I use $17.83 to enter this trade. So let's see how it goes in the next 6 hours. Having waited for over 5 hours, so let's see how far the trade has gone. It is not easy. Okay, here is it. I'm in almost $14 profit so far, and the time left is not much. So let's check how many minutes that is remaining, or how many hours that is remaining for this position to close. Okay, right here we have still have like 1 hour 3 minutes for this position to close. But in order not to be too greedy, I think I should close this trade with this profit. Not to be this, in this game you don't have to be too greedy. So I am closing this trade right now. So that is how it is. You trade with higher time frame to avoid heartbreak, to avoid liquidation or margin call. So I'm closing this trade right now with $15 profit.